After studying two-dimensional dynamical systems, our next goal is to study dynamical systems with three or more variables greater than three-dimensional systems. As mentioned in the introduction to this course, and as we'll see, these systems are incredibly rich and incredibly beautiful in their phenomenology. However, this richness comes with a price. They're much more complicated than two-dimensional dynamical systems. So as a prelude that'll help us develop an understanding for three-dimensional systems, in this unit I want to turn to the study of discrete and delay dynamical systems in one variable. So the first question you might ask is, why do we bother studying such systems? And there are three reasons that we focus on this before turning to three-dimensional systems. The first point is that these systems have incredibly rich behavior. And this behavior actually mimics what we see in three and higher dimensional systems. In particular, we'll see chaotic behavior. So rich behavior that mimics the behavior of dynamical systems in 3 dimensions and higher. Another important reason why we study this, and perhaps the most important reason, is that these systems are accessible. We will see that using incredibly simple ideas and very simple mathematics, we can understand a lot about these one-dimensional discrete and delayed dynamical systems. So the point is that these are much simpler mathematically than 3 and higher dimensional systems. And finally, these model systems, even though they're one-dimensional, they're experimentally relevant.